Dear students, how are you? I hope you are having a good time. Today we are here once again to help you with the logical problems from the book I have written, Mastering Math and Logic for the TOLC, a question bank for TOLC-I, and also applicable for F. There are in total 300k mathematical and logical problems with hints and explanation. Out of 300 problems, there are 70 problems belongs to logic. So if you still didn't buy it, I recommend you to buy this book for your preparation. So to buy this, what you can do is you can check the description box and you can find a link of Google Play Books. So by accessing that link, you can buy it. But still, if you find difficulties to buy them, then scan this QR code and you will be directed to a documents. In that documents, I write details instruction how you can buy this book. And remember, once you buy this book, don't forget to update the latest version, because every Sunday usually I update the book. So if you do not refresh the book, you will not get the latest update of the book. So to update the book, what you need to do is open Google Play Books, go to My Purchase or My Books, locate the book. If it doesn't automatically update, remove it by selecting Remove Download for mobile or delete from library on the web, and download once again the book to access the latest version. So here is the contents. You can see the detailed contents of the book, instruction to study these books, and here the mathematical chapters, and here the logical reasonings, logical problems, and you can find the logical problems explanation and answer, page number 169. So today we are going to solve a logical problems from the book. Let's start. As I said earlier, today we are going to solve a logical problems. Instead, I am going to solve two logical problems, problem number 19 and problem number 20. So let's start. On a bookshelf, there are several books of different thickness and colors. Each book has a unique thickness. The clues are as follows. The blue book is thicker than green book. So let's write blue, which is thicker than green book. Our second clue is green book is thicker than yellow book. So this green book is thicker than yellow book. Now we got a hierarchy. We can definitely say that blue book is thicker than yellow too. Our third condition is yellow book is thinner than red book. So let's write this condition here. Yellow book is thinner, so we're writing here, and red book is thicker than yellow book. So you may have asked me why I didn't write it in the first line. I'm telling you now. We definitely know now that red book is thicker than yellow, but we do not know the relationship between red and green, between red and blue. Red book is thicker than yellow, that's right, but it could be thicker than green too, or it could be thicker than blue too. So this red book can be positioned here, first position, or second position, or third position. So these three positions could be the position of red book. Let's move on to our fourth clues. Purple book is thicker than blue book. So this is easy. We can write here the purple book is thicker than blue book. Therefore, purple book is thicker than green and also thicker than yellow. Our fourth clue is orange book is thinner than purple book. So another new book here, we are writing this way, orange, which is thinner than purple. Once again, we do not know the relationship between orange and blue, orange and green, orange and yellow. So there is a possibility that this orange could be the thinnest, could be, we do not know, or it could be thicker than yellow, it could be thicker than green, that means here it could be thicker than blue, that means also here can be positioned. Now let's write our last clue. Black book is thicker than orange book. So we have another book which is black and it is thicker than orange. So take a look in this relationship. Once again, orange can be positioned anywhere if it doesn't violate this condition. I mean, always black should be thicker than orange. But once again, remember, this black can be positioned here like thicker than purple, then it could be the thickest, or this black could be thicker than blue or thicker than green or thicker than yellow if orange is the thinnest. Now I hope you understood. Let's move on to the questions. Which book could be the thinnest one? Green? No, because we already know yellow is thinner than green, so this is not the correct answer. Orange? Yes, orange could be the thinnest one. This is our answer until now. Let's take a look on blue. No, blue cannot be the thinnest. Option D, purple. Purple cannot be thinnest one because purple is thicker than orange. And last option is black. Black also cannot be the thinnest one because black is already thicker than orange. So our correct answer is option B, orange. Now let's consider the problem number 20. Consider problem number 19. Which book from the list could be the thickest? So in this problem, we are using information from our previous questions. Just only difference is we have to find out the thickest book. And remember here, the word could be. We don't know, but yes, there might be some possibilities that some books could be the thickest. So we have to find out all books which has possibilities to be the thickest one. So let's check the options one by one. First of all, black. So here, black is thicker than orange as we discussed earlier, but we do not know the relationship with black and other colors, I mean other books, purple, blue and green. Therefore, we can say yes, for some combination or for some arrangement, black can be the thickest one. There is a possibilities. So it could be the answer. Option B, orange. No, orange cannot be the thickest one because orange already the thinner than purple and thinner than black. So there is no chance to be the thickest. Option C is red. It can be the thickest one because we know the relationship between red and yellow. That means as long as red is thicker than yellow, we can say yes, red can be the thickest one. That means we can place the red here. Still, it's maintaining the condition red is greater than yellow. So there is a chance that option C also correct. Purple. Yes, if we keep black and red in between the purple and orange, then yes, purple can be the thickest one. Therefore, our correct answer is option E. Black, red and purple could be the thickest one. So for your better visualization and better understanding, now we'll discuss the explanation and answers from these books. So let's go there and let's understand more visualized way. Problem number 19 and 20. These are the clues were given in the questions. So we discussed all of them. And here the details synthesis or details explanation. So we already discussed. You can take a look and you can read them for better understanding. Here the possible combination arrangement that we can make. Let's read all of them. So if purple is the thickest, okay, so let's fix the purple here, and yellow is the thinnest. Yellow we choose here the thinnest one, and others are we arrange this way. So this is our first combination. This could be like this combination doesn't violate the conditions given here, like black is thicker than orange and red is thicker than yellow. We can take a look here. Red is thicker than yellow, black is thicker than orange. All are correct. So this could be the on options. If purple is the thickest and orange is the thinnest, so this time orange is the thinnest, purple is the thickest. And there is another possibilities like black is the thickest, and we're not considering who is gonna be thinnest. It could be orange, it could be yellow. That's not important, but we are showing that black could be the thickest one. Similarly, red could be the thickest one. So I also here I draw a pictures for better understanding. Here yellow is the thinnest. This is the first combination. This one first combination I try to draw here for better visualization so that you can understand easily. And red, green, blue and purple I kept the thickest. So I hope you understood this problem well. If you still have doubts or any questions, please let me know. I will try my best to answer you. You can write me on comment section, or you can send me email to the email address talcprep@gmail.com. And kind of your information, I am making a website so that you can buy this book worldwide, because currently Google Play Books do not work more than 66 countries. Therefore, some of you who are from countries like Bangladesh or Pakistan, also from China, from African countries, so you cannot, or currently you are not able to buy these books because of Google Play Books restriction. But in future, once I make the website, you will be able to buy the book wherever you are, no problem at all. So sooner I will let you know the updates. Thank you for your watching and thanks for supporting me. Have a good time and best wishes for your preparation.